Hello, I'm Richie Zanaji and it feels super amazing to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create bootable USB flash drives for Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 11 or whatever Windows or preference, right? Amazing. Yes. But before we go into doing that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would like you to subscribe right now. Use the superpowers so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch and take action. So now that you're done subscribing to this YouTube channel, let's go create some bootable USB flash drives. Okay guys, so to make a bootable USB drive for our Windows 10, right? What we are going to do is that we are going to put our hard drive. Is that here, this the ISO file that I created. So here, let's look at the properties. It's around is around 4.3 gig, right? So it's about around 4.3 gig. So any hard drive that you want to use, right, it should be a minimum of 8 gig. Any flash that I want to use should be a minimum of 8 gig upwards, right? So here, to create your power ISO, just head down to just open your power ISO app. So power ISO app, right? So here, this power ISO. So I'm going to leave the link in the description for you to just copy, right? So here you go to your tools. So what we want to do is that we click on create bootable USB drive. So that's what we want. But this is the thing. Now for you to create a bootable USB drive, like there should be nothing on your USB drive. No, it's not going to work. So I recommend save up all the files or the documents that you have in your USB drive or your flash drive before you proceed with this. If not, you are going to lose all the information. So we are going to click this. Okay, so here, so in order to use this function, you need to run power ISO as an administrator. Do you want to continue? I say yes, I do. So here we continue as an administrator. So here, so this is the source of image file. We are going to select the image file. We have it on our desktop already, right? So we are going to go to our desktop and click desktop. So here we understand. So this is it. Then click open. So that's it, right? Then so this where we want to put it, right? So this 16 gig is what we want to put. Then hit start. So this is why I tell you that okay, all data in the USB will be overwritten. Do you want to continue? So that's why I say you ought to have cleaned it up. I say yes. Then let's just hello guys. So this is so by the time it's done writing or creating a bootable USB drive, you get a success message like writing USB drive completed successfully. Then you hit OK. So guys, so that's how to create your bootable Windows 10 USB flash drive, right? So it's pretty easy. Just follow this step as as explained. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, why are you waiting for subscribe, so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch, and also help other people that are in need, grow, right? Thanks for watching. Till next time, it's Riches. Cheers.